Hey guys, welcome back to another clean with me. Today is a little different. I'm also going to do just a little bit of a cook with me, and I'm also going to be getting in my laundry room and cleaning it out, and I have some before and afters of that, so stick around to the end if you want to see how that comes out. Anyway, I'm just going to go ahead and make this chili really quick. I'll leave the recipe down in the description box below, so if y'all want to make some for yourselves, that'd be good. It turned out great. Anyway, so yeah, if you are looking for some cleaning motivation and you like videos like these, then please subscribe to my channel. I do a video like this at least once a week, sometimes twice a week, and I'd really love to have y'all join our little community here. As you can see, the kitchen was a complete disaster. We had gone grocery shopping, and I only put away the cold stuff when I got home because I was just too tired. I also got a lot of cleaning supplies. That's for another video I'm doing where I'm doing a whole house clean with me because I have family coming in this weekend and I needed to get it all done. But anyway, I'm just going to start out in the kitchen and get it cleaned up real quick and then move to the dining room, and then we'll head to the laundry room. Like I said, I hope y'all enjoy this, and if y'all do, give me a thumbs up. Leave a comment as always below. Tell me where you're from. Tell me how you're doing, and I will talk to y'all in just a few. I'll hop on every now and then and talk, but most of the time I'll just let music play so that way y'all can clean along with me or just hang out. So anyway, I'm going to jump into this, guys. And this is some stuff that I picked up when I was grocery shopping, so that way I could get my bathrooms all deep clean this weekend. They really need it. So we're going to have company, like I said, so I wanted to get everything cleaned up. And I have some carpet cleaner, and I had to get my Sprayway. I was just going crazy without it. And then I just got some Top Job bleach. So anyway, I'm just going to put those up because I'm not going to do the bathrooms today. I'm going to wait till later in the week to get those done so I can focus on some other things that I need to get done.
This is how it ought to be. We are racing endlessly to another stunning view. What else could we turn into in time? We'll settle down. Nothing's gonna bring me down.
I'm just using Dawn dish soap and the Mum scent from Miss Myers to clean my sink. It makes it smell really good, and then the Dawn, it seems like it cleans it pretty well, so that's what I've been doing lately to clean my sink.
We're tangled as we touch the ground with no sound. She goes like the wind, a sip of coffee, back to business. Behind the scene, I'm a witness of all she can be, of all she can be. She sent her photo to an agent, a skinny mirror, rare occasion, a chance to be great, a fortune to make. A lovely lady luck will follow where she goes, and she's a very special someone we should know. Tonight the future's on the way to land before her feet.
So now that the dining room and the kitchen are finally done, they're all cleaned up, and so now I can go finally focus on the laundry room. And like I said before, it was a complete wreck in there. It was like I would bring stuff from my shop in because I would say I was going to do it and then it never got done. So I'm just going to be doing one project at a time if I'm doing it in the house. And so anyway, this is the laundry room before. As you can see, I have clutter everywhere. It's crazy in here. Those bags need to be donated. And this is just my little crafting setup here, but it's gone crazy. So I need to get it all cleaned up and organized. I can't even think in here. I did film some of it, but for the most part, you're just going to see the afters because it was just an awkward angle to film, and I was also taking stuff out, so it was just hard to keep the camera rolling. So anyway, yeah, but y'all will see the change after I get done with it in here. It was crazy.
Before her feet, a random joke, a kiss, a lucky tweet. Lovely lady luck will follow where she goes, and she's a very special someone we should know. Tonight the future's on the way to land before her feet. A random joke, a kiss, a lucky tweet. She's no keeper, born a fate shaper. Karma glow, karma glow.
So this is how it all came out, and I'm super happy with it. Like I said, it was really hard to record the whole thing, but you kind of get the gist of what I had to do. I rearranged the shelves a little bit, and I put all my paints up here, and then I just have cleaning cloths and stuff like that. And then I have just our back stock of paper towel, toilet paper, trash bags, and then we've been drinking our water in here just to save bottles. We don't want to do the plastic bottle thing anymore. So yeah, that's how the laundry room turned out. Here's my little pantry. And I didn't get a shot of the coffee bar, but I will get that next time. Like I said, I'm fixing to do a whole house clean with me, so stay tuned for that. Bye, guys.